Crash course on South Korea. Known for its pop culture and technology, South Korea is a popular destination for young viewers. Sure, let's dive into a crash course on South Korea. South Korea, officially known as the Republic of Korea, is a country located in East Asia. It is known for its rich culture, technological advancements, and of course, its booming pop culture industry. The country has a population of approximately 51 million people and is home to some of the world's biggest technology companies such as Samsung, LG, and Hyundai. One of the most interesting things about South Korea is its unique blend of tradition and modernity. On the one hand, you have ancient temples and palaces that have been preserved for centuries, while on the other hand, you have towering skyscrapers and bustling city streets that are at the forefront of modern technology. One of the most popular aspects of South Korea is its pop culture industry, often referred to as the Korean wave, or Hallyu. K-pop, or Korean pop music, has exploded in popularity around the world in recent years, with groups such as BTS, Blackpink, and EXO gaining massive followings. K-dramas, or Korean television dramas, are also popular, with shows such as Crash Landing on You and Itaewon Class gaining international acclaim. But South Korea has much more to offer than just pop culture. The country is home to beautiful natural landscapes, historical landmarks, and delicious cuisine. Here are 12 top attractions in South Korea that you should consider visiting. 1. Gyeongbokgung Palace. This stunning palace is located in the heart of Seoul and was built in 1395. It served as the main palace of the Joseon dynasty and is now a popular tourist destination. 2. Jeju Island. Known for its natural beauty, Jeju Island is a volcanic island located off the coast of South Korea. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to many hiking trails, waterfalls, and beaches. 3. Bukchon Hanok Village. This traditional village is located in Seoul and is made up of hundreds of traditional Korean houses, or hanoks. It is a great place to learn about Korean culture and history. 4. Namsan Tower. This iconic tower is located in central Seoul and offers stunning views of the city. It is a popular spot for tourists and locals alike. 5. Changdeokgung Palace. Another beautiful palace located in Seoul, Changdeokgung is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is famous for its stunning gardens. 6. Busan. South Korea's second-largest city, Busan is known for its beaches, hot springs, and seafood. It is also home to many cultural and historical landmarks, such as the Baeomosa Temple and the Busan Tower. 7. DMZ. The Demilitarized Zone, or DMZ, is a buffer zone that separates North and South Korea. It is a unique place to visit and learn about the history and politics of the Korean peninsula. 8. Hyundai Beach. Located in Busan, Hyundai Beach is one of South Korea's most popular beaches. It is a great place to relax and soak up the sun. 9. Seoroksan National Park. This national park is located in the northeastern part of South Korea and is home to some of the country's most stunning natural scenery. It is a popular spot for hiking and exploring. 10. Gwangjang Market. This traditional market in Seoul is one of the oldest and largest in South Korea. It is a great place to try some traditional Korean foods and shop for souvenirs. 11. Lot World. This massive theme park in Seoul is one of the largest indoor amusement parks in the world. It is a great place to have fun and experience some of Korea's. 12. Bosung Tea Fields. Located in the south of South Korea, the Bosung Tea Fields are a beautiful area of rolling hills covered in tea plants. It is a great place to learn about tea production in Korea and to take in the stunning scenery. As you can see, South Korea has a lot to offer for visitors of all interests. Whether you're a fan of K-pop and K-dramas, interested in history and culture, or just looking for some beautiful natural scenery, there is something for everyone in this fascinating country. To summarize, South Korea is a unique and fascinating country that offers a blend of tradition and modernity, and is known for its pop culture and technological advancements. It is home to some of the world's biggest technology companies, as well as stunning natural landscapes, historical landmarks, and delicious cuisine. For those looking to visit, some of the top attractions include Gyeongbokgung Palace, Jeju Island, Bukchon Hanok Village, Namsan Tower, Changdeokgung Palace, Busan, DMZ, Hyundai Beach, Seoraksan National Park, Gwangjang Market, Lot World, and the Bosung Tea Fields. Now, as promised, here is a poem about South Korea. In the land of the morning calm, a world of wonder awaits. From ancient temples and palaces, to towering tech giants and K-pop stars, the streets of Seoul bustle and hum, with the energy of a vibrant city, while nature's beauty lies just beyond. In the rolling hills and rugged coastlines, culture and tradition blend with modernity. In this unique and fascinating land, where the past and present coexist, and innovation leads the way. So come and explore all that South Korea offers. From the bustling city streets to the peaceful countryside, a land of beauty, wonder, and endless possibilities, just waiting to be discovered and experienced. And now, here is a song about South Korea. Verse 1. In the heart of East Asia lies a land of endless possibility. From the shining lights of Seoul to the rolling hills and rugged coastlines. Chorus. South Korea, land of wonder, where tradition meets modernity. From K-pop to ancient palaces, a world of beauty and diversity. Verse 2. Tech giants and bustling city streets sit alongside ancient temples and palaces. A unique blend of old and new, where innovation leads the way. Chorus. South Korea, land of wonder, where tradition meets modernity. From K-pop to ancient palaces, a world of beauty and diversity. Bridge. So come and explore all that South Korea offers. From the DMZ to the Bosung Tea Fields, a land of endless possibilities, just waiting to be discovered and experienced. Chorus. South Korea, land of wonder, where tradition meets modernity. From K-pop to ancient palaces, a world of beauty and diversity. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences South Korea has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to South Korea, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $?aid=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Hub Metaverse Team.